Jani Paki Mayo to Sagol Mangala beating the Kongsang Sanction Crate District Hospital, Hong Krabadi, Kendras, Kidupis in a fee, Tong the Wiki protest over Sanksilakan and Loud. Mamang Sahi August the Finance Department website Yada the Lupakoti Sani and we sent from overdraft Parambada, Minister and Nomaita of Pongo Kipakalona, Akanba instructions in speak. Amasong Sahi Taranitoki Makada Levangang raped over the Sena Bamuida, Civic Serapi Yana Boxo Egg 12 and Tonaba, Ordinance of Union Cabinet Ayam. Mayam Kurumzari on the Angry Impact News, I Kakatak sometimes Punsa Popki. Maruba Pausing Miamda Pizari. Sagolbang Village Development Committee Toboroi and Ipaki Mayokanga si Impal Cycle Lambiting the Yaning the Bafongokre. Police Samati Mianga Bungnabada, Mike and Kiasok Panankre, Nakalabarum the Sagolmang the District Hospital Home Krabati, Contracting Kend in the Pissinga, P. Tong the protest Yaw the Kongsan Kiasang Lagani Hina Lautokre, Nasio, Anganbada, Sagolmang Village Development Committee General Secretary Sorokaibam Inaubi Emati, Committee Assistant General Secretary Lysam Bikrambo. Police na Paki. Tadokasi matungda sa kolmang dalay ba miyamda yaning da ba pongdok tuna Infal Cycle Lambi tingsin ki loy na lambi da tayar mai thar sa pagok amata tawhan kide Infal East ki additional SP na losing police team masang sindona irang adu laksin na ba honaki kongjang sangsili ba nupi singa police ka wari sana na ba hona bada nupa protester singna nauri kapsil lakti police ta so handuna Tiar Gasam de Spong Captain Kongjang Sang Siliba Musing Adubutan Kaiki, Tadoga the Kongjang Sang Siliba Mui Karabadi police personnel Ani Asokapan Nanki. Banbayabadi, Naranung Til Sagolmang Village Committee, Sugomen Provision Committee, the Progressive Youth Club Sagolmang Sendona, Sagolmang Community Holder, PDCC Advisor, BC Texam Yauna, Committee as a member Ani Yauduna, Sagolmang, the District Hospital is Sabaga. Mari Lane and Miyangi Mipama Punky, Mipamada, Miam the Sagol Mangda District Hospital Sahan Si Haina, Miyangi Mot Lona with the BC Taxam the Masagi, Paukum Piram Dana Sagol Mang Kulgimu sing the Akampit, Hiram Ki Hairi, Tungda Mipamadana BC Taxambu, like I get single Taki Kakba, Loinana, Tadawa Tokta Sang the behind Warep Loki, Masimatung the BC Taxam na Pulista Kulgimu Singna, Harassment Taubire, Pusa Batawatiki, Sokle Haina Village Development Committee. Mayokta police complaint nama torong ki hairi masigi makatarak pada action oina village committee skim hud ani police na fakibani nakalamrom da sagol mangi akoy bitalay bamiya na police na fakibami ani condition mata yaudna thadok tripau pa Impal Cycle Labit thing balep loi haina lauk thokre sagol mangdi district hospital homi phire asina lainga ang hongrabadi ingkom jalising ani marida kangla gate mamang dalam da masigi nupi singna fi thong da ki khongsang sangsin ba dugumna sangsin gani haina thamlakli Sagol Mangdi District Hospital Hong Kibayaro Haidana JSC Ming Makada, Whiteon upon Manupilum, the Sindon Whiteon Manning Lekai Community Hall the Su, Wakadi from Sataki.
Aku di khang bang amak tre adu bo police ko unjan adana akoi ikheng na khen tai na besidi koi nupi mama obi khoi je ngam kano taw de moi ga thungna bagi haksu koi kano taw jade adu bo akoi di huji athuba matam da phari bangang ji ju condition am tana yaw dana thadok piro adu ga khoi di isam chamna khoi di disu hospital ne sabi jabi na tanjari ba adu mas khongjang ni adu na sidai da khoi da harassment pibi kanu makhata ba khongjang ha ba je khoi di sidri ba wa leptana khoi gi pandam je phangdri ba da sidri ba charai hen bagi khongjang changjeng ni akoi gi Kanglagi gate mamangda ima trani thoina tawgi bada adugi phire to lewra haidingai leiti habje ai ngasi medagi thongda ai haijari
Sagol Mangdi District Hospital Home ki mayok ta khongsang sangkhil lakpada mioi kaya so pon nangkhibi ki thodok singbo korai maikai da leba club maira pai singi apun bolub oriba coordinating body korai na yaning da bapong dorokli nakal naman da Sagol Mangdi Infal District Hospital Home yaroi asok pon kaya yaroba phawbada CM na tumina license ba ngapapoi haina all Manipur no pi maru korai area na thokpaserol Tongan ba Serol Amada Hirakli, Amarom the Sagol Mangdi District Hospital Hong Kiba Sida Singhu Nupi Kunai Lamjing Mera Paibi Association Kewa Company Development Committee All Manipur Tami Singh Apun Nupi Lob Head Office Tagiel El Sajing Youth Association Cycle Subdivision Amade Kundrak Pamaya Lekai Sakot Nupi Lob Nasu Yaning Taba Pongdorokli Hauki Basahi the Sini Tratret ki August Thada Finance Department ki website Yaki Dabadaki Pau Se Minister da Kanglamdre Website Yadabadun Maramaraga Lupa Koti Sani Henry sent from overdraft Tari Highness Minister and Nuaita Pondo Kibakalina, Asumna Tabak Toba Yaroi Highness Minister Langaki Makokto officials in the Akanba instruction Pikre. ngasi India pumbata pangthok pagom Bauparada leba all secretariat ki conference hall da tarani thoirak suba civil services day ki thoram pangthok ki Manipur lenga ki tonga tonga makok thong official sing yauna pangthok ki thoram da se minister na hai lupa koti sani henbi ki send from overdraft tabati ki kudak to open market ki sale pokhi edo mak oidna su finance department da laiba balance as yauna nim ni haina phongtok ki the minister na hai officer bureaucrat singna afaba thabak masing chingam dara tawbangami amromda afaba thabak punna mangan basungami afaba thabak thengthan basungami haina the minister na phongdoki mahana makha taraduna civil servant sing asi still frame of India ni hainari adubu afaba still frame oiribra haibedu civil services lairiba officer sing masa masa na hangsagadabani retired tawdringida laibak asigi miyangi afaba thabak khara thamoi sainga tarongge khanba bureaucrat officer khara tholakpada Manipur asi sahi taragi manungda afaba ahomba amadi soidana propagam gani haiki loina na miyam na sato kasin tawbada karigamba lambi lamkhangda SDN thokpa yaurokpa matamda kanagumba amata ngaidana lainga ke department singi lady bagare singa se season aduna asokpa singa hospital da yari makai thuna yahonna bahona kadabani hinam singa mari laina notification ama so thokhrabani haiki ngasiki tharamadu ko mari laina excellence public service ki mana Susanpur ki Deputy Commissioner Syamlal Punia amadi Manipur Police Housing Corporation ki Executive Engineer and Rometi da Kusinaki maruina matam sangtana Susanpur ki ima kaithal sab loisin ki amadi tongan ba thabak singda yumpham oidana mana adu Kusinaki bani
finance ki report say it was doing by automatics by net but suddenly it was stopped in the month of August. I don't know, I was not informed. Agumi internet to the count of yes, this money has been released, this is the balance and the second of the book. Agumi internet to the open revenue now. Everybody were at random submitting their proposal and the finance were releasing like anything. Then now, what is the problem with the financial system right now, you know? We have borrowed up more than 200 crores. Immediately we borrowed from the open market. Even then, the balance amount is 2 million, you know. Siki stands the walk over here. Government is ours. Government is not for someone. And government is that is very unfortunate. That is very important part. Somehow we can prevent which could have been the biggest scandals in the history of Manipur.
Komjal se masalban mafudra mathoi da thoki ba Anglo Manipuri war gi matam da British ka lanteng na ki ba lamdam asigi laioi kraba lami singna lanban oina siznara ba lai maton singi Kuzai Lokta Miamna Haika Leka Tamdana Atauba Simuning Sinkre Justice Committee for Anglo Manipuri War 1891 Martyrs and Victims of Kanglifana Sindrangarati Satar Klipa Tokiba Lanja was Sibutabum Aman Subna Ning Sing Biki Toranga Mari Lane and Ngasi Haika Leka Tambiki Tormasi Pangtopani Ngasiki Oina Kalasana Sanangang Memorial Committee na Kusamdana Pangtokiba Haika Leka Tambasiki Matanga Justice Committee Asiki Convener Kuraizam Atauban Hakibada Kuzam Loki Mapamasi Anglo Manipuri war gi matamda kasar maikai diki Manipur da landa ba lakiba British singpu thengna ba maitai lanmi singna leiramba maphamni matamada da maitai ningthogi laurung hanjaba sanangang ba amadi sagol hanjaba kalasana lanmi longjamba poila ba amadi yengkhoi ba poila bana lusingba lami lising amana mapham ase da sak thongdra sakhiba amadi kuzam lok ta makut hangkhibi puari leiri asigba puari gi mapham ase ngasi phawba miyamna Kangriba si Kanganaba Pandam the Mafamasida Laktona Hikareka Tamani, Mana Makataradona Anglo Manipuri War Mari Lanaba Land Pump Sing as a memorial site in a Kangnabalang Tabak Lokat Matamoire, Justice Committee Nasu Atu but the Langang Serol Pid on a memorial site or in a Taxilakani Haki.
Manipur Gipuarida. Matam Sangna, Miamna, Nathaidana, Langana, Masa Kangdana Lere, Adubo, Justice Committee 1891, Sapong Laktana, Anglo Manipuri War gi Mari Lainaba, Tongan ba event sing Lanpam sing asi, Lebak Miamda, Macha Kaina, Masa Kangan Nanabagi campaign, Namagi Sarukamoina, Laimatongi battlefield asi, commemorate Toba, Amadi Masides de Lakidaba, Atoba, Lishingama, Amadi Luchingba Maria Dugi Mafamda, Aquinangam Jaba, Haimana Amatur, Laimanam Su, Haikat Lekatam Jabalak. Anglo Manipuri War gi Manung the Tokiba, every battlefield Kuring Maxi, Kongjom Battle the Ladiba Memorial Site Asigumna, Memorial Site of Semagamasi, preserved Todana, archaeological Madugi reporting Tambira Kanda, Miam the Kangan Gadoni Habisi Dimani, Masi Tubuda government su memorandum ma submit tawna na sem sabal loja
innovative idea lai ba pagi ba mahiro singbo makhoi gi hai singba uthokna ba phampak ama oina sai asigi metha da Manipur Science Center ki makada innovation hub ama linglagani nauna hangadar hub asina lamdam asigi haugalagli naharol singna sauna kana pipa ngamlagani haibi thajaba sauna lei haina Science and Technology Department ki Director E Ibosana Fongdokre wafam ase Department of Information and Public Relations ki loisangda satharakpa lenga ki makada level loisang singa paumi sing unabagi ngasi sathaki bai mifamda fongdokibani mana makataraduna haukiba Mars mangada si Minister na Digital Planetarium gi maikum hangdok lamba matamda chit yangkai khak sanba Planetarium masi sit samni sanba complex ontokani haina fongdok lamki si Minister pirang ki bathajaba sigi matung ina bafam saba lamchiri laliba jun tha si phawi manungda sit samni sanba Digital Planetarium ama sana bathorang paikhan ba pandam thamli seda the Science City ma thamba hai basi department asigi lengdra ba pandam ni Science City ma sana ba honabda 30 acre park sobalam tangai phadi Ministry of Culture gi makha National Council of Science Museum Kolkata na nodal agency oidna sagadri ba complex asida stay na putokodri ba sei sumnagi lam acre kuntra mai amadi ising supply ga loina na fencing khaktari Lengana lam acre kuntra sipi bangan lobdi awang nopo state ki oina Guwahati ki patungda state asida Science City thamdana in khalagliba mahiro singna sauna kana pi bangam lagani haike
Science City se koi tongning ba adubo 30 acre daka le 30 acre ki lam ama thiba se auji kana problem hoya ama akhoi su hona dabdina te honari adubo kariguma 30 acre se lamji state na donate tonga magadi Science City se akhoi da su sabi ya Northeastern region ki oina Guwahati di sagre moi ki IIT ki lairiba side adonda akhoi state ki jo 30 acre se putokpa magadi Science City soidana leine ba
Income Jalasam Sapan Humpugi Ado Idiki Houghton Land Survey Tobada Naraki Kusukolai Sing Asiso Sizinari. Anobalega Lapati Tanga Sunaba Anoba Kulai Lainaba project Tokiba Lady, Hosimiko in the Matanga Sunatraba, Mamanga Kulai at the Moxinari Haina, Department of Settlement and Land Records Director NZ Noren Kumana Fondokre Wafamase, DIPRG, Loisang the Satariba Langaki, Makada Leba, Loisang Singapore, missing Unabagi Torongi Nasi Pangtokiba, Mipamda Pongtokibani. Mahana Makataraduna. Land records long na bakidamang sahi taratara kuting land survey toba masong masig final report mari lain ba deputy commissioner pisin mamanatana department nas ki makada karigumba scheme mata paikat palaite apik department or baso maru ibe department na mo ibe miyam gi interest leptana survey sathaduna lagli hoki ba income jale sima sawapan marputa da thokiba miyam gi iho matamda thokiba deputy commissioner office by sak ki thokta land records kaya mangtaki thodokotan bara moreka income jale sima sawapan humpugi mamangda sat Takiba, Sarvesing record about the later Banamaram or a assassin never pata, Pidam Topagi, a sober madam or even hike.
The department on a complaint, young pamba, Lakunju Toi, Kainoda, me could market test over, Larabina Kumba, the Papatable, testable, what could you test over Nina, complaint Sudum Yam lay do quick complaints to quite later never, a Koyam Kana quite department side tagi, a Koyam Kana quite Tana, the Honazabani, Aduna. Uji Bogi State akoi village Mayamama, akoi Loraga, akoi Pitokre, Panamama, Chokoi Tori, Pal West, akoi village, akoi Kuto in Pal West, village, and Nikoi Sarbegi, Limited Langunga, Atuso Part Karakatani.
Auto driver the Prokibat home, Yaning the Bafong Doctor, all Andro Kendra Driver Welfare Association, and Sinami Yunga Pauba, Centraleton Yaripo Bazar Tonkondo, Wakanim Pam Satakre, Wakanim Pam the Dasaru Yakiba. Association General Secretary MD Farid Sahan Pau missing the Fongorakoda, Miang Sebatori, but driver Singbo Amamati Kodong Sabalaura Pu Saiba, the Aki Kanki Basi Live Activity. Masaki Kodong Sabakaraki, the Mag driver Singbo Pu Saiba, the Awana Tan Basi, Andro Kendra Itatan Toli, Tasiki April Taramangagi, the Midang Pungni Panta, Matamda, Yaripok Top Singtada, Yariponi Town 90 auto driver, and the Nizamodinbo, Sakang the Mui Karana, Tamtina Propitong, Association Sina, Haxina Lobogalina, Todo, the Senator of Music Marilena, but department. Atu matamda faduna ahak pasarak pinanaba taksilakli Tourism Department na sinduna andinak subay di sangi Sirui Lily Festival 2018 ta sige kunmari dige horok kunipan pauba ukrul na pangtholagani sa iya sige oina festival sige anoba attraction oina USA da based over rock band Still Heart amadi Queen's Rick na perform Togotori. Manipur Press Club Pau Missing Unabam the Tourism Department Principal Secretary PK Zana Hai Lengana Festival as a state level Takta Pukut Matungda Mamang Sahi Gisuri Festival Gahandaki Asiga Kena Bakaya Leragani Festival as a Kulgi Mapam Ohum Hibadi Foxy Ground TNL ground amadi Sirui ground da pangthokani loinana festival asida visitor listing ni pugi sang da lakni habiga sa tawri festival asigi tabak tokhaiba traffic management system tongan ba homestay one listing magasama Meghalaya Nagaland Assam yauna North East State singi oina food stall loinana festival pangthokadre mfam singda permanent toilet ningthina sema loire festival asigi maroi ba attraction oina pangthokliba Sea Rock International Rock Festival la United States ki rock band ani saruk yagani masigi matakta Manipur yauna North East State singi rock band singna oiba competition amasu pangthokani competition asigi ahanba mana oina lupa lakh tara ke cash prize pigadori nongsagi film asina pharabadi festival asu yamna nungaiba am oigani miyam namphung phana saruk yabi haina principal secretary na pauzi lakli ngasigi pawgimi phamada director tourism W iboholso saruk yaki.
The tourism department would also be planting about 10,000 saplings and maintaining the saplings in a very planned manner. So we have tied up with a particular group who will be, they'll be doing a twofold initiative. First is that they have organized their volunteers. They'll be putting all the volunteers in one place and they'll be carrying out this tree plantation throughout the Shiroi festival. The second is that the same volunteers would also be collecting trash. All the tourists come, they throw bottles, they throw plastic here and there. So they'll be collecting it before the festival, during the festival and after the festival. They'll be weighing it properly and then publicizing as to how much trash they have collected and then disposing it off in a very environment friendly manner. We will not let these festivals pollute the environment in any manner.
Laliba April Kulumdoi Kuntra Pauba Sarak Suraksa Zivan Raksya Habitimda Kumapalak Suba Road Safety Week 28 in Pangtokadribasika Mari Lane and Department of Transport Amadi Department of Health Services and in a Kusamnaka Free Health Camp Pangtolagan Haina Zero Lamada Harikli Lalambung Makongapun Banapilo gi mangarak suba pokemon thorom ngasi pangthokre ngasi ki thorom atu mari laina na loba sina kon fam daki sana khona bi lamda mingsat purakraba mi ahum opgi thorom ma sa pangthoki lalamu ma khong thale loba sigi sangni da pangthoki ba thorom atu da Imphal Municipal Corporation Ward number 3 gi corporator hijam Nutan Sandrasu sargyaki RIMS ki director Professor A Santavo Zarhal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research Zepmar Pondicherry Institute Body Quality Wangba ISR Committee member in a half cray. Zepmar Institute Body Quality Wangba ISR Committee in Rang Pangtoki Mipamda, Professor A Santabu Committee as a member in a half Kibani, Professor A Santana Institute Body as a member of Harman Note its Masao Ibagolina Zemargi Mahiro Masu Oidi, Lena Mahak Zemargi Governing Body the Standing Selection Committee member Masu Oidi. World Bamboo Ambassador Amoribi, Punjab University, Chandigarh Department of Botany Professor Dr. Nirmala Songthambo, Sahi Sigi Augusta Mariti Taraimban Pang Pangtokadaba, Mexico, the Pangtokadaba, World Bamboo Congress, the keynote lecture Pinama Barton Torcle, the Healing Tuss of Bamboo Habitiram, the Pigadar lecturer, Dr. Nirmala Songthamna, Wadi Yauzaribana, Panmang Magun Singamari, Lane, Asian culture, Laserakpa, traditional knowledge sing Sierra Togani. Net Zakit Foundation of the American Bamboo Society gi Sentang Makada Dr. Nirmala Iba Bamboo Suits as a help put Hariba like Asisu Pongani Makilusing Makada Batang Sahi February Maridi Nipan Power 3rd World Bamboo Workshop so Infal Pangtokadoribini. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Natokpazero Lamada Sahi Kuding Leptan Pangtok Tuna Lapagum Laliba April Colomdo Madi Kunmarida Matangsena Caesar Madi RIMS Hospital Anida Mahire Kunai the Labak Miam with the Katolo E High Tim the blood donation camps in Pangtok and Haina Hidakli Amadi Tawaya Wamio sing Hariban Missing Asida Lakton and Saruk Yabi Bayakan had Seros in Makatari Amaramda Mahir Lubasigi in Falis District Council at Tokpa Tongan Basero Lamada Achum Desamam the Ams na Yelhomina Tabamio Yamada Secretary or in a Hapagi May of the Sang Sileba Kongsanga say Madam Saba Kongsani Council Asina Asimo Kongsang as Sawat Kani Hanasu Makatari. Tripura ki Avoinagar gi Iputo Putiba Laibung Mamang the Kiliba, Manipur ki Isang Tarba Measure Pona Brazabasiki, Nung Nasaba, Mitam Laliba April Kulum the Maikom Hangdolakan Hari, Putiba Welfare and Cultural Society of Pona Brazabasi Foundation, Manipur Tripura, Pangdor Pukimatungina, Measure Pona Brazabasiki, Mitam the Tripura, Deputy Minister Jisnu De Barmana Hangdokani Hari. Matang sa break ang malawsa break matong da sa hitaran ito makada lay angang sing rep to the sena ba miyoy da CB ke serak pinam ordinance sama Union Cabinet ayaba pikibi pau man ibani from sumaling tongan ba ipaw sing pudna laksa ke impact news bumiyang tadon lay biyo maya mamukan taram nok sa bulletin sa makata pa pau miyam da pizari sa hitaran ito makada lay angang rep to da sena ba miyoy sing CB serak pi ba yan ba pokso Act 2012 amend tawna ba ordinance sama Union Cabinet ayaba pikre wari ba sing asin New Delhi ki tarit Suba Lok Kalyan Mark Talaiba Prime Minister Residence Pangtok Bimpham Amada Lokibani. Ordinance asi Hosik Laliba Tataruk Asigi Manung Parliament approve Toba Matok Tare, Jammu Musum Kashmir ki Katwa District Sun Sahini Pankata Ngari Dupi Masa Matamtina Rep Tokiba the BJP legislature Ramana, Uttar Pradesh ki Umnauda minor Nupi Masama Rep Tokiba Todok Sing, Loinana Sigma Manabat Makal Tadokaya Tatana, Tolok Patiki Lebak Sin Matungna, Sal Repressing Civic Serapi Yuhaiba. Iho lakibani ngarang irai nimita center of Supreme Court pising kiba city mada sahi taran to makada laibenu pim sa sing rep topi kesa sena ba sing da civic serapi biyana pokso ekasi amen tona ba tabak paikale haina phongdok kibani hariba khongthang ase mathok tari haina union goman and child development minister Menaka Gandhi na so video message amada thadorakhe Katwa gang rape case ki mayok tala masung landam asid tolibar rape case ki thong sing bu yaning de ba phong doctor na mahiro sing khong sar phang thokre solidarity campaign asiga mari leina na candle lighting ki thoram so phang thokki den college science ki horga thamai ban lambi da laktan koya thong phor college asida panthung pham oikiba council adu college asik life science department ki PG mahiro sing sin bani council adu saruk yaki bi convener Nil Sri Haisnamna nupi obe sing bu tamthini kai khumna ba mahan ba hai humanity bu sing na bani Manipur asi fazraba cultural lighting of society oile basu nupi singding asi su khudong thiningai oina lele orally film sing asida mahiroi kunai ama oina pi ki hak kallo haibu kholauda khongsat asi thabani haina phongdoki
Manipur gumba akoigi culture na yamna phasana lairaba afaba society ama stage da women se safe oide secured oide madu secured oine na bagi damakta akoigi voice taman India government na hujiku ji chathari basle sa Manipur government su mateng panghaningi haiba se haijaningi aduga akoi women se hena uplift tobi ba haibadi akoigi thak se hena wangkhadan ba aduga wangkhadan ba haibadi safety ohen ba do secured ohen ba do adu khakta pamse we condemn this rap culture. Rape culture should be vanished, abolished from our society.
Imphal West District ki mayang Imphal Kendra madi Kaksing District ki Hingalam Kendra ni ki marakta seleba Manipur Turel ki matak sari sahi ni putaruk surabali tan thong ase asuki matik phibam sare sahi gi isaw khuding gi thong gi matak ising sendra leiba matamda miyan maroina mahiroi sing satok kasin tawba ngamdre haibase leiga ka madi department khanglaba phawba ngasi phawba belly bridge ama sara bathabak lokotri basi kari kin haina belly bridge construction demand committee of Sengmajin kono wenda phawak sauna wahang tawrakli district Animaki lifeline oriba maham sida lairiba litan thong asi hauki ba sahi ki isaw da so ising thum jindana khudong sa da kaya thokki bana salibi sahi ki isaw laktringai da belly bridge ama sana ba thabak lokhatrabadi makhal makha kaya ki khongjang sangsilagan haina committee asina section wa thamlagli Kaisantong Assembly Constituency ki Manung Sanba Moirang Purel Akham Laikai dengan si Health and Family Welfare Minister Elzente Kumara Mahaki MLA Local Area Development Fund ki yung kai pibam sana laitra bai anida yum sana basali mating oina lupa lak amamam khosina khare minister na yum sana ba kidamang mating piki ba music adudi kwa khate la kham na kai dalaiba ningthong jom amui premila amani Moirang Them Binod Kumar Elias Boyni loina na laikai adumak ta dalaiba khudong thiba thodok amatigi khong nama yaudraba laisram saubal amasung Moirang Them Indrani da wheelchair amamam so khosinaki Health and Family Welfare Minister Elzente Kumar na promising the high Handa ki lenga kasuna MLA singi local area development fund asi khara hena haptana magi constituency singda laiba yung kai natai sada ba singda mating panami khudong sa mapiri manamaduna laikai ki oina laiba club apani miam na recommend torokpa yum singda sel gi mating asi pitan lakpani haina minister na phongdo ki loina na government ki scheme sing asi ki makata na natai sada ba yum sing thidok naga sel gi mating pikigani haina minister na makata ki
simedi tongda adum yamu poni recommend to girbo singdo सरकार की तो स्कीम प्रोजेक्ट मतलब यावरी मुख्य नियम सिंह अब तो नता बड़ा लेकिन नु यारे सी यम से है गेम बता ये बमोय ने ये बता की फान मनुंग ले बता कितंग अपडेट तो बता कले न खन जगह सिंह दा को नंगम बलो के फंड की शाखा गलो मु तो पीर यम सान है बुगी अखलो मखले
Mental health education haiba sida nomi oiba targeted intervention program amang asi Bisnupur district laiba ideal school thanga da pangthokri National Mental Health Program State Health Society Manipur khada Department of Health and Family Welfare Services Manipur na sida pangthok program adagi pandam ni ingkhalag liba angang amadi mahiro sing da mental health problem asi masak khangan bani hairi program asida NMISP Director of Health and Family Welfare Services Manipur State Nodal Officer Dr. A. Ranita Devi na phongdok kibada angang singna wakal laina nariba si pokpati oirakpa natraga mahaki department na thokhan bo hen bani program aduda hiram asigi matana khang hairaba mioi kyana saruk yakhibaga lonena wangangki April Kolomdoi Khongjom dena lakpada Manipur People's Democratic Front amadi Pasok Kendra Development Council ani na tongan baserol singda kumjali simsan pan marputra matagi Anglo Manipur Ward thawai na pontha oikraba inamda Manipur ga thau bising mafam de kai khumna bolakli amadi ngasigi mirol asina lai oikraba thau basing adugi thauna lingjel matrik amatang yarom labadi lamdam asi malemda tomtin ngana mafam ama oina soidana oiram gadabani haina so palakli Let's Stand Against Substance Abuse have a banner ki makhada satrak anti-drug campaign nga sa Imphal West District ki awang kunong dalaiba combined English school hamadi Kaksing District ki manung sanba Tera Urak High School da pangthokre campaign asi All Manipur Students Union amsu amadi kada ani na khosab naraga sinbani Manipur ki Chief Secretary ki fambo lenga asana mito mian sama halak pagi thongbu Oriental College Students Union amadi JP Women's College Students Union ki tongan maserol singda yaning daba phongdaroli Siza outreach program ki sarok amo ina ngasi lilong dalaiba Nur Hospital da free obstetrics and gynecology consultation camp ama pangthokre harib camp asi Siza Hospital amadi Nur Hospital ina khosam thar pangthokpani Siza Hospital consultant obstetrics and gynecology Dr. Victor Khuman amadi Dr. Dhaneswar Phizamna Mahamadi patient sama marpuda lena lain ki loinana Siza Hospital consultant Dr. Victor Khuman sayol khuding gi leibak popo amasung thang janumit khuding gi Nur Hospital gi OPD consultation gi daba ayu pung tara deke nungkel pung ama pawba laigini haidi Manipur gi jago isayam din lai harau gi lamda tijileba California masa Byron Eharagi landscapes and bodies haida mington ba photo exhibition ba ngasi pangthokre photo exhibition ase singyama yumna lekai dalai ba books and coffee da pangthokhe bani photo exhibition ase da maru oina Manipur gi lai harau ba madi maitai nat ke oiba fizet like teng de yumpham oiba photo sing ulli
The theme of this show is called Landscapes and Bodies, and I'm trying to represent and show that the landscape is more than just nature. The landscape around us is there's a lot of memories involved and a lot of thoughts and myths and memories. And so especially in Manipur, I'm fascinated, being from America and Japanese, that the landscape means so much to the people in Manipur. Like the hills, like Kobru is one of the gods, and Nong Mai Ching, so many myths and legends happened in that hill range. So I'm trying to show that the landscape in Manipur is another entity, it's another person in a way.
National Sports University Manipur gi Restar Orakraba ki Radha Kumar retired IAS put taramna okre ngasi mapal kansai pun talaiban Manipur Veteran Football Association Sidana Association si sanglia da op gi tarama da pangthoki lamdama sita lairi basana khonap ki association kaya gi parakta chai na bakaya laira basu Manipur ke sanore sida thawai khobak to haptuna malem da tongan basana khonap gi lamda mengsot kaya purak ki basina maram oiraga Manipur National Sports University Manipur say Lakivani Haina National Sports University Manipur Restar K Radha Kumar na Wafamasi Lamdam Sing Mian the Thamki.
Me is Paidana India, the international standard command of Putopung Nongadi, Model Institute, Sanama Link Pasidar Kale, Masi Namnaba, Potnabasi, Choba, Chile and Germany, and I want the power. Service means service for the people like he kind of Pause. Before we die, we have to live. Career Papa Toronga. I did me, she chara meet me, let me, I do not the Canada, mandatory, but Tabak to company and a Kali, sports university, I'm a town of money put up on much the demonstration. Pamamaga, Pipi, Pasi, Yamna, Ixukai, Nungai, to a machine, Namnaba, Pangtoki, and I
Hauzik Sanab ki pauda second division I League group C ngasi Kumalapa Manasa Diam Sana ki batrao ki home match amada Bengaluru FCB na trao bumbazal ani amada mai thiba fikre ngasi sana ki match atu da team ani mak lamba sana na mana ba mai pakta bi yadi habi ki wakalon da kan mamong na sana ki match ki minute ni pan sa pamatanda VFC V ki captain Myron Sezi Mendes na ahan panjal san ki loina na trao ki phajara ba tanja kaya phanglabasu panjal on thopang ngamda bana an ba hap loiba phau da trao ki panjal ama sothana laiki ani suba hap da trao he na kana sanarak na panjal handok na bohana ki edu BFC B na match ki minute yakai mapan sa pamatam da phangba corner ki kamai khudong sa balodna captain Mendes na heading thousand ra mukhana panjal ama hapsin ki panjal ani sothara basu trao akan mamong Ninghana ba laitana swana ki loina na match ki minute humbudra ni thoi sapa matam da trao ki striker Prince will na fazara ba heading ama tawsin na trao ki ama changara panjal adu handoki ani sub hap ta su trao ki panjal on thok pa ya batan ja kaya phangki adu panjal on thok ngam kite ngasi ki match atu da BFC B ki team captain Myron Mendes foul to ba ki tama referee na yellow card puk thoki loina na trao ki Falguni Prince will imeka ma di frame foul to ba ki tama referee na yellow card puk thoki Guwahati City Football Club GCFC under 18 boys की trial selection लाले April कुलहम दोइदा Imphal West District की मनुसना लेबा मेकोला पे playground दा फांथो लगनी हाइना Manipur Futsal Association MFA के सेरो लमन हाइरी सरू ज्ञानिंग बसानरोई सही तरह मखादा लेबा MFA की अकुपा मरोल खंगलबा यागनी हाइरी अनिसुबा संगाई ट्रॉफी वेटरन फुटबॉल चैंपियनशिप दा FBFA उयुंपो माई पाखरे Nongsing ki pibam na sanorising da awa kaya mayong nakiba tournament na sigi kasi mapal kalzay bil satariba tournament na sigi kontra hom do so lecture sana ki ba mesa sida FVFA uyum poka sadara PL wifi amadi thangjangam ani na mes sigi yang kai tarok machong humpu suba minute sing de panjal amamam sandana certi sandel bu panjal ani sina da baiti ba pibang ki satara ki ba football tournament sigi kontra mani so lecture sana ki ba VV farm ke sampar madi AYMFA yari pori na mesa siga thoida bi yadi haina akan mamong da lamba tong da kiba mesa sigi api ba matamda mayong nari batim anima panjal amam sanaba sa panjal amata sanaba ngamdana mesa si draw sakki United Veteran Football Association Manipur da sindana RKFG Private Limited ya santhang makha da pangthok ki ba tournament sida football team tara mapan league match sing da thoi hen tanari hayeng chatare ba veteran football tournament sigi makha ta ba league ani sanargani Tare suba harau Village Open 7 aside football tournament YMC team B harau mai pakre tournament se ngasi ahan basanagat balikta NYC awang ngairang ba mamadi SYDC sinam ani match asida panjalamat sanatan draw oikhibagal na ani suba liktana ACY team B imnam khono madi YSMC tangkham ani match asida panjal mani sanadana match asi draw sakki sathari tournament se ahum suba likta YMC team B harau no yamna laksana kai B academy bo panjal Taruk amada machi bapi bangam kipakalo na mari sobal liktana YSA singku madi haibi kaibi haikak mapat FC ani na sana kipa mesa sida team ani mag panjal amamam sanadana draw oike Youth Modern Club harau na sina club asiki sarabung da thasi mapan sathaba hoki ba football tournament sida team kudhane thoi na saruk yari hayang tournament na sigi makata balik match mari sanaragani All Manipur Rocket Ball Association in Palasan na laliba metarani thoi diki tarahom doi phauba Kumalapa Sports Complex ta nupam sabani tupi masa singoiba han basta level often rocket ball tournament pangtholaga hena association asig serola mana hairakli saruk yaning ba sanaroi badi team sina Kumalapa talaiba association asig office ga sai office ki matam da lalaga entry form laura ba yagani amdi me ni pan phauba da mention ba form thajin ba yagani hena so khangalakli Haukiba April mapan diki taramatai phauba Haryana gi Hisar da pangthokiba ani super sec Ani Super National Sports Championship 2018 na Manipur football team na overall team champion lorokle under 14 na madi under 18 the winner oidana goal lorokpa kakta na senior open the winner oidana goal lopangam ki taekwondo the so kg humbudra mani ki senior category da Manipur plus ki kober kg humpunipan ki senior category the and robot mani kg yakanipan senior category da s arbol na gold medal sing lopangam ki Manipur overall team champion orakpada Manipur Sports Development Association na Manipur Futsal Association gi apun ba official na sana roy wadi coaching bu thagat pa phodoki samhuna miyamda thamjari Kunjani phagi bagi mayak to sagol bangda lambi thingna khongjang sangsin kre district hospital khong khrabadi kendra sing nupi sing napi thong da bagi protest pawa sangsin lakni haina lokko kre Mamang sahi August thada finance department ki website yada bagi lupa koti ani hen ki sani hen ki central overdraft taram pada se minister na nongai te photo kip kalone na akan ba instruction sing pi kre Amasong sahi tarang thagi makada lai bi angang rep tawda Sena ba miyos in civil serak pi yana ba Fox Act 12 amendment na ba ordinance ma union cabinet ayaba